What's going on, guys? Welcome to Spang's World. What we're going to do today, we're about to change out the grill here on the Jeep JK. Quick how-to video on changing that out and stuff. I don't think it'd be too hard, but we'll see. Well, that's kind of interesting, pulling the grill off here, and looks like they had some LED strips and stuff on here. They're not hooked up. Looks like it got cut or something. Maybe whenever the previous owner was selling it, they swapped this thing in. I don't know, but we've been finding a lot of lights like that. So, but whatever. Might just have to clean this one up, put it on the wall in the office or something, and light those bad boys up again. Be kind of a cool wall ornament. After you disconnect the wires, all you have to do is pop these two here and that'll slide through. I couldn't get these to light up, but whatever. I do have some LED strips that I got for Christmas that I think we might put them on the back of these and hang it up in the office next. Maybe give it a better paint job or something. But be kind of cool. Plastic grill. There it goes. Now we got the new one. Nice, bling bling. This is off the 2018 JK. Right before they started making the JLs and stuff. I think it's the Limited or something that it's called. The white's a little bit different. This one has a little bit more newer looking and more metallic looking and stuff. But I don't think it'd be that big of a deal once it's on there. When you're looking at the front, not sure if it's going to make that big of a deal looking at it from the front or not. But if not, it'll look pretty cool on the wall. I picked it up off of a Facebook Marketplace for 50 bucks. Everything else was usually 100 or more and stuff. And I found this one and I was like, oh, I'm going to get that. And so I went and got it. there we go. You can see the difference a little bit just in the colors and stuff. A little bit newer versus older paint and stuff, but shouldn't be too bad. We'll get it outside the sun and check it out. Not too bad looking right here. Like I said before, you can see a little bit newer paint versus the older paint and stuff, and the silver I think pops out a little bit more on this. But if you're wondering if a newer JK grill will fit on an older JK, this is a 2010 and this is a 2018 grill for the JK. It fits. If this video is helpful, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, leave a comment down below if you got any questions on it, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Whoa, shizzle.